Hello, my name is Dr. Justin Gainor from the Massachusetts General Hospital Center for Thoracic Cancers. I'd like to take a few minutes to thank you for your participation in the LUNGSTRONG 5K run and walk. I want to thank specifically LUNGSTRONG and Diane Legg for putting this together. We recognize that so much hard work has gone into this, as well as dedication for the cause of lung cancer research. We also want to thank everyone who's been involved in organizing teams to come out and participate in this crucial event. I also want to thank my colleagues at the Center for Thoracic Cancers for also organizing a team and getting out there for a run or walk. Obviously, the last 15 months has not looked the same for really anyone. And we recognize that the COVID-19 pandemic has fundamentally altered all of our lives. But at the MGH Cancer Center, we've recognized that cancer care doesn't stop because of COVID. In fact, we've doubled down on efforts to create progress in lung cancer research. And so part of my goal today is to also give you a sense of what's been done in the Cancer Center over the last year. Lung cancer affects over 220,000 people in the US each year. But 2021 was a year where we actually saw a hint of significant progress. And that was because 2021 was the time where we saw the single largest drop in lung cancer mortality in recorded history. So specifically, we saw a 6.3% decline in lung cancer mortality between the years 2013 and 2016. And really, that's a testament to improvements in treatment. And so I'd like to share with you how the support of LUNGSTRONG has really helped lead to new treatments in lung cancer. And I'd like to do that on a few particular themes. First is with respect to developing new models of lung cancer. What we've recognized now more than 10 years ago is that we need to develop an in-depth understanding of each patient's lung cancer. And so what we've done is, together with clinicians as well as our laboratory collaborators, is make a concerted effort to develop new models of lung cancer in the lab. And this is really an immensely beneficial resource because it allows us to both study the genomics of these cancers, but also to develop new generations of drugs. So new generations of targeted drugs, as well as combinations of targeted therapy drugs. And I'm proud to say that based upon some of the work funded by LUNGSTRONG to develop these models, specifically around EGFR mutant lung cancer, we now have 2 new clinical trials focused on kind of next generation EGFR inhibitors that are designed to overcome specific resistance mutations that we've studied with these models. One of the things we've also done is we've tried to develop new ways to monitor disease. Historically, we've done this through CT scans, but we're working hard to develop ways to actually perform liquid biopsies to allow us to monitor lung cancer in real time, not just using DNA, but using RNA-based approaches that give us much better understanding of the disease biology itself. And finally, we recognize that targeted therapies alone may be insufficient, and so we're thinking about new ways to treat lung cancer, and specifically trying to harness our understanding of actually infectious diseases, things like CMV or cytomegalovirus, and actually getting the body to think of the cancer just like a virus, and actually being able to use that virus and redirect our immune system to actually start attacking the cancer, thinking that it's a virus. So these are efforts that have been at the centerpiece of our research over the last 12 months. And really, these are things that couldn't have been possible without the support of LUNGSTRONG. So I want to thank everyone once again and look forward to the race.